G'day, it's Jason here from Elite Power, and today we're doing an unboxing video of an Ocular charger that our friends at EVSE have sent us. So let's dig into the box and see what we've got. So today we're looking at the Ocular IQ commercial charger. So this is a great product, and let's pull it out, see the size of it, see what's involved in hooking it up. So let's see what's in the box and what we get. It's packed quite nicely. So we've obviously got the EV charger box. So this is the CS charger cable port. So that's where you're going to plug the port in and go to your electric vehicle. Looks quite well constructed. It's actually got a bit of weight to it. Supplied by EVSE. There's a blatant plug for our friends, EVSE. So it looks like they've got a standardized mounting system, some threads, nut inserts, and a couple of connections to get the power into the unit. I wonder what that is. Maybe an antenna, Wi-Fi antenna probably, or it looks like it's got a plastic coating actually on the front to protect the LCD screen. Okay, so we'll get into that in a little bit further. Let's see what else is in the box. Comes with a hook. So to mount, to wind up and neatly store your EV charger cable. Comes with a pack of bolts, and looks like a couple of concrete mounting bolts, and looks like a security key to actually open the unit. That unit there. And there you can access the breaker and the terminations. And okay, so these probably are RF cards, tap cards to access the charger. So you probably configure those with the app. And we have the mounting plate. Obviously you're going to mount this to the wall, and then the Ocular unit's going to attach to the mounting plate. So quite sturdy, looks like it's powder coated. Looks like the on-off switch for the unit's just here. There's some information about the input and the output voltages for the unit. And I believe, yeah, there it is. These units are IP54 rated. So if you look up IP54, I think it's dust and some light spray for water. So not fully waterproof, but certainly weatherproof. If I was mounting this, it'd probably at home, it'd probably go in your garage undercover. If you were doing this in a commercial installation, you'd either use the bracket or even a pedestal to mount the unit on a pedestal. I think ideally it'd be nice to have some sort of cover over the unit, put it under an eave or on a wall or somewhere. If you had it out in the open, yeah, you probably want to protect it. So the Ocular charger we're looking at today is the 22 kilowatt three-phase version. They do make a 7 kilowatt single phase and the 3-phase. So we'll go through each of the components and what they are and what they do. And also in terms of weight, the 3-phase unit's 12.5 kilos. So we've got Wi-Fi and 4G antenna up on top. The unit does have the capability to put a SIM card on the circuit board. It also has RJ45 connections for Ethernet. If you've got internet cable at your home or your workplace, you can connect up an Ethernet cable. You can use 4G, or you can use Wi-Fi if there's Wi-Fi signal. So that's the antenna component. It's got a LED indicator on the front screen, so a 7-inch screen with an LED indicator. It's got a physical button on the side here for on or off. You've got the RF card reader is here. It's actually built in behind the front of the unit. So these RF cards, they just tap on the front here to activate the RF card reader. And it's on the side here, we've got the universal type 2 CSS charger port. So first impressions are, it looks like it's really well made. It's a great design. There's nothing that sticks out too much. It could be fairly indiscriminate, and I don't mind the color, I don't mind the size of it. Has a bit of weight. Yeah, mounting it on a wall or a pedestal, an interesting proposition. So there you go, that's the 22 kilowatt commercial EV charger from Ocular. And the reason we got this unit sent up from our partners at EVSE we want to understand all of the EV chargers on the market, and in this unit in particular, we've got an interesting project where we want to connect this to an inverter and a battery that's running a virtual power plant, and we want to see if we can utilize some of the battery capacity via the smart charger to then charge up the EV. So yeah, in future videos we'll show you this installed and working and charging up an EV. But there you go, that's the Ocular IQ commercial 22 kilowatt charger. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe or like or keep in contact with us. If you're after an EV charger for your business, commercial, home, please get in contact with Elite. We'd love to help you out, give you some advice, or even help you out with an installation. You can source the EV charger yourself, or you can just come to us for the actual installation. So happy to help wherever we can. Thanks for watching.